Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this irrigation kit for gardens and such. This features over 100 feet of tubing here. We have the irrigation kit manual. Tells you how to set it up and everything. Irrigation tube. All right. So in here we have our tube hose, and then we have the tubes that connect to each individual little sprinkler here. We have basically our main hub here for delivering the water system, and this should even pressure throughout, and then an attachment for the hose to a regular thing. Another coupling there, and another one. We have some tape and little attachments there. And we have 8 different types of irrigators here. This one, these blue ones emit like a spray of water out of the top. So these are pretty handy. These stakes just go right in the ground. Our tube attaches here for the water, and that sprays. And then these can be adjusted as well to different amounts of water that you let out. Have our main stake here for the other part, and these red ones are more like they spray kind of downwards instead of upwards, and these can be adjusted as well. So let's go set this up and see how it works. Okay, so here we have the 2 different types of heads. This one just sprays water out to the sides, and this one over here just flows it out from the top. So you can extend these out to all your different little plants and stuff like that. And these can be run underground or wherever. It's just kind of handy to, instead of having to water each individually, you can just set these up and then just turn on your water for a little bit, and you're good to go. You can even get it like an automatic a timer, turns on your water, waters all your plants, and then you don't even have to worry about it. So it's super handy. So to attach this to the hose, you just need this one here. You unscrew this, pull that out. You just slide this up on there, and then this goes down over the top of there, and then it screws down and holds that hose in place. And you just tighten that down. Oh, buddy. And then to attach this to here, same thing. This one just pops in though, which is kind of cool. Got like a quick release thing real quick, and then you can just plug that in, and then it snaps into place. So that's super handy. Then these I just capped off the ones that you're not using, and the other ones, if you do want to use them, you can just add more. So we've got plenty of line, quite a few different sprinkler heads on there, and you can just run them wherever you want to. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.